Hi everyone! I have been experimenting with some ideas and came up with this quiet book. Hope you watch the video till the end. Here is my quiet book on Amusement Park. I just want to point out that this book is not intended for very small children because it has very small detachable objects and I wouldn't want it to be a choking hazard. I also wouldn't be uploading any tutorial for this one at present. I was just experimenting with some techniques, but maybe in future if I work on a similar book. On the cover page, I have added a ticket counter and a snack bar along with other details. Tickets and money are meant to be imagined. The snacks I added are corn dogs, cotton candy and hot dogs. Not our typical Indian snacks, but just something I could make easily. On the next page, I added two arcade games, the first of which is hitting the targets of moving ducks with the ball. The ducks can be moved with the pulling strip, but to push it back, we may need to pull the duck back. Since it is made with felt, it is a bit floppy and cannot be handled from the strip alone. A parent might need to pull the strips and move the duck while the child is trying to hit the target. The idea of the second game is straightforward. It is to get the balls through the hoop. On the next page, I added two rides, the free fall ride and the Columbus or pirate ship. I made a few small people to sit in the rides. They are really tiny so that they can fit in all the rides. In the free fall ride, the seat goes up and down, sometimes slow and sometimes fast. The Columbus or pirate ship is a ride which goes back and forth like a pendulum. On the next page, I added a Ferris wheel. The passenger cars are detachable and numbered. I also added a height chart for this ride along with an entry gate. The moving mechanism of this Ferris wheel is the most exciting part of this book. With the use of the snap buttons, the passenger cars can be rotated so that it is always in the correct orientation. The last ride I included is the roller coaster. This also comes with a height chart and an entry gate. This person has to only sit in the Columbus since she is not tall enough for the roller coaster either. The roller coaster car goes from one end to the other as shown. Before I end the video, I added a bonus activity of number matching in the Ferris wheel page. This page works to teach numbers as well as colors. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. I am already working on my next quiet book, so stay tuned. Until next time, bye, take care and stay safe.